This is the We Are Memory Keepers Happy Jig. So it says along here you get 1 jig, 95 pegs, 1 wire cutter and 3 colours of wire, 2.5 yards each. So that's in a mint, a rose gold or a copper and a gold colour. So on the back it says, this easy to use jig makes wire working a breeze. Simply wrap wire around the pegs to create fun embellishments for cards, scrapbooks, planners, jewellery and more. It says over 100 design templates available in the instruction book and on Instagram at WER Happy Jig. And here it also says also works great with 3D pens. That sounds intriguing. I might have to give that a go. My son has a 3D pen. Okay, so I'll just get into this packaging. Okay, so there's the 3 wires, the wire cutters, and this is the Happy Jig itself. And this is the instruction booklet. So the instruction booklet has instructions of use, and then it has various templates which it will show how to make those. So there are the instructions. And then it shows you where to place the pegs and the different size pegs in order to make different shapes. So what I need to do is cut 26 inches or 74 centimetres of wire to make the shape. So I've cut the 26 inches of wire, so the next step is to place all the pegs in the relevant holes. So on the template it tells you it's a grid pattern, so it has letters down this side and numbers down this side. It's a little bit like a game of battleships, so you have a letter and a number, and that's where you place the peg. And some pegs are large, some pegs are medium, and some pegs are small. And then you have the starter peg here, which has the little cut in it. So I'll start by placing all these pegs. So this one is P7 for the starter peg. So there I've placed all the pegs as per the template. So the next step is to get the wire and wrap the wire in the direction that the template shows. Okay, so I'll push that in the starter wire, in the starter peg, sorry. And then I'm going to follow the pattern. Okay, so there we have the word love, and now I can do the heart balloon on the end of it by doing this. Oops, that peg came out, so we'll just need to pop one back in there. H33. Oh, I lost another peg there. I31. So I'll pop a peg back in there, and want to go that way around the peg, and then I need to twist the wire at the end here. So I need to get my wire off. So I'll just gently try and lift the wire off from the pegs. And here we have it here. Just push it down flat onto the table to get my love, and then this one wants to be twisted around here. And perhaps I didn't leave quite enough wire at this end, as I have extra here, but rather have too much than not enough, I suppose. So I'll just twist the end of the heart balloon around there, take it to the back, and then I'm just going to get the wire cutters and just cut that bit there. Cuts very easily with these wire cutters. Okay, you can massage the shape as you like, but that really quickly made love with a little heart balloon. I'd like to put this love on the front of this traveller's notebook cover, so I'm just going to try and thread it through just quickly, just to show you how you could use it. And there we go, we've got the love threaded through the front here. So that's my first Happy Jig project. I'm liking it because I can see lots of potential with it. So what I want to do now is just remove the pegs and see how easy they are to pull out. Some of them did fall out as I was making the design, as you saw, but some of these pegs are quite firmly attached in here, so they're not all that easy to pull out at all. I think maybe what might be a good thing is just to turn this over and try and push the pegs out with something from the other side. So if I just grab the pliers and just push with the wire cutters, sorry, and just push with the back side of those into the back of these pegs, they seem to be popping out quite easily with this little bit of pressure. And there we go, we have all the pegs out, so the Happy Jig's ready to go with the next design.